Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the district of Madhya Pradesh with the short code. Before getting into that, the districts of Madhya Pradesh, I like to have an intro of Madhya Pradesh which will help you to learn and understand the region very well. So Madhya Pradesh, which is also known by MP, meaning central province, is a state in central India. So it is a central province in central India. So that's why it is known as Madhya Pradesh. Its capital is Bhopal and the largest city is Indore. Nicknamed the heart of India due to its geographical location in India. Madhya Pradesh is the second largest state in the country by area. With over 75 million inhabitants, it is the fifth largest state in India by population. It borders the states of Uttar Pradesh to the northeast, Chhattisgarh to the southeast, Maharashtra to the south, Gujarat to the west, and of course Rajasthan to the northwest. Its total area is 3,08,245 square kilometer. Before 2000, when Chhattisgarh was a part of Madhya Pradesh was the largest state in India, and the distance between Singoli and Konta was 1,500 kilometer. Madhya Pradesh have 51 districts and 10 divisions. So it becomes very difficult to learn all those 51 districts. That's why I developed the short code which will definitely help you to learn these all the districts in a easy way. So we know we came till now we came to know that Madhya Pradesh have 51 districts and 10 divisions, and the largest division is Jabalpur division which have 7 districts, and the smallest division in Madhya Pradesh is Hoshangabad, which is also known as Narmadapuram division, which have 3 districts. So first we are going to learn the divisions of Madhya Pradesh with the short code, that is BCG in junior ASUs. So BCG is a vaccination which is given to the small children so that they can develop immunity against the TB, that is tuberculosis. So BCG is given to the junior ASUs. So ASUS is a company which is a well-known company in mobile market, and its famous model is Zenfone. So BCG, it's just a simple name so that you can learn the divisions of Madhya Pradesh. So BCG is given to junior ASUs. So BCG will help you to learn the division, that is B stands for Bhopal, C stands for Chambal, G stands for Gwalior, and IN in I stands for Indore, N stands for Narmadapuram. Say JR, that is junior, that is J stands for Jabalpur, and R stands for Rewa. Followed by is that ASUs, where A is unimportant, you can skip that. S stands for Shahadol, U stands for Ujjain, and the last one S stands for Sagar. Now we are going to learn the districts which come under the division, under the Bhopal division. So you have to learn the short code BRV RSUV. So BRV is a model of Honda company, and the model is a SUV. So BRV are SUV. So it will help you to learn the district which comes under the Bhopal division. So BRV, the full form of BRV is bold runabout vehicle, and SUV is sport utility vehicle. So BRV is a model of Honda company. So BRV will help you to learn. B stands for Bhopal, R stands for R stands for Raisen. V stands for Vidisha. S stands for Sihor. R stands for Rajgarh. So this is the short code which will help you to learn the district which comes under the Bhopal division. So our next division is Chambal division. It has only 3 districts, so you have to learn the short code, that is Miss Chambal is blind. So here Chambal is treated as a girl and she is blind and she is unmarried, so the Miss term is used. So Miss Chambal is blind will help you to learn the districts which comes under the Chambal division. So M stands for Murena, S stands for Shiopur, blind stands for Bhind. So these are the districts which come under the Chambal division, and the short code is Miss Chambal is blind. Our next division is Gwalior division, and here the short code is Shivdat gang. So Shivdat is a person and he has a gang, so it will help you to learn. Shivdat gang will help you to learn the districts which come under the Gwalior division. So Shiv stands for Shivpuri, D stands for Datia, G stands for Gwalior, AN stands for Ashoknagar, and the last G stands for Guna. So these are the districts which comes under the Gwalior division. So another division is Indore division, and the short code to learn the districts which come under Indore division is Jammu Kashmir bad ink ban. So Jammu Kashmir was producing some ink, so it was bad, so it was banned. So if you are not going to produce a good quality ink, so of course it is going to ban. So that's why the Jammu Kashmir bad ink ban. So this will help you to learn the districts which comes under Indore division. So now come to the code, move letter to letter. So so J stands for Jabua, K stands for Khandwa, B stands for Badwani, A stands for Alirajpur, D stands for Dhar, IN stands for Indore, K stands for Kargon, sorry, B stands for Burhanpur. So Jammu Kashmir bad ink ban, so it was banned, but it helped us to learn the districts which come under the Indore division. So another division is Narmadapuram division. The short code is in Bihar home. So IN, where N is for Narmadapuram, so you can understand by this that it is so it belongs to the Narmadapuram division. So only our districts are only 3, that is Bihar home, and N is used only to remember that these districts belong to the Narmadapuram division. So we have only 3 divisions, so it will help Bihar home will help you to learn these 3 districts. So BE stands for Betul, HAR stands for Harda, and HO stands for Hoshangabad. So here I think by this in Bihar home we learned the districts which comes under Narmadapuram division. Yes, one more thing, that Narmadapur division is also known as Hoshangabad division. Next division is Jabalpur division. So our short code here is Jammu Kashmir became MSDN. So MSDN is Microsoft Developer Network. So those who are with among the IT field, they can understand that MSDN is Microsoft Developer Network. So Jammu Kashmir become MSDN. So J stands for Jabalpur, K stands for Katni, B stands for Balaghat, C stands for Chhindwara, M stands for Mandla, S stands for Sidhweni, D stands for Dindori, and the last N stands for Narsinghpur. So Jammu Kashmir became MSDN will help you us to learn the district which comes under the Jabalpur division. So our next division is Rewa division, and the short code is R3 security. It is also a security which is followed in computer network. So R3 security will help you to learn the Rewa division. 3 security means 3S. R means Rewa, and then we have 3 security means 3S are there. The first S for Satna, another S for Siddhi, another S for Singrauli. So R3 security will help us to learn the 4 districts of Rewa division. Another we have the district which comes under the Sagar division. So the short code is DC in PS Tikamgarh. So DC means Deputy Commissioner and PS means Police Station in Tikamgarh. So Deputy Commissioner went to the police station which is in Tikamgarh. So it will help you to learn the districts which comes under the Sagar division. D stands for Damoh, C stands for Chhattarpur, P stands for Panna, S stands for Sagar, and Tikamgarh is Tikamgarh. So Deputy Commissioner in Police Station Tikamgarh. Another division we have Ujjain division. So Ujjain division short code is Admin Sura as Empire. So underline as Empire is for as Empire, short code is for Shahadol. Is nothing to do with Ujjain division, it is only for Shahadol as Empire. So our complete code, this Admin Sura as Empire will help us to learn the districts which comes under this 2 division, that is first is Ujjain division, another is Shahadol. So A stands for Agar Malwa, D stands for Devas, M stands for Mandsaur, N stands for Neemach, S stands for Shajapur, U stands for Ujjain, and RA stands for Ratlam. Now we will move to the next division, that is Shahadol division. So we already know the short code is as Empire. So here we are in the Shahadol division, and to learn the districts we have to learn the short code that is as Empire, where A stands for Anuppur, S stands for Shahadol, UM stands for Umriya. So this is all about the Shahadol division, and which has 3 districts, and we can learn that 3 districts with the short code as Empire. If you like the video, hit the like button as it will inspire us to launch more videos. Share and subscribe. It will inform you when we will launch the new videos. So don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.